Looking for the latest bellicon discount code in the USA? You're in the right place. Right now, you can get 15% off everything in the bellicon US shop. And yes, this one is automatic. No code needed for the 15%. But here's the important part. You can also stack it with our exclusive code, BRT. That gives you an extra 5% off on top. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you don't miss verified Rebounder deals. All right, what do you actually get? 15% off everything in the bellicon US store. Rebounders, accessories, spare parts, bundles, everything. And if you enter code BRT at checkout, you unlock an additional 5% discount. Here's how to claim it. 1. Click the link in the description to go to the official bellicon US store. 2. Choose your rebounder or any items you want. 3. The 15% discount is already applied automatically. 4. At checkout, enter code BRT to apply the extra 5%. 5. Confirm both discounts are applied. Then you're ready to bounce. If something doesn't work, usually it's one of 3 things. You're not on the US shop, the campaign period changed, or the code value has been adjusted for a special promotion like Black Friday. Shipping in the US is typically fast, since bellicon ships from their US distribution center. Important, this 15% store-wide sale is limited time. Our BRT code remains active long-term, but the automatic 15% sale may end without notice. If you want full details, FAQs, and direct links, visit Trampoline.com. And if you're still comparing brands, check our next video where we break down bellicon versus other top rebounders, so you choose what fits your body and goals. If this helped, like the video, drop your questions below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.